My favorite ice cream cake fruit recipe in the whole wide world. There's something truly magical about the combination of creamy ice cream, rich cake, and the zesty freshness of fruit. Let me take you on a delightful culinary journey that explores the creation of this decadent dessert. A favorite that has resonated with many and continues to be a centerpiece at numerous festive occasions. Imagine starting with a layer of fluffy vanilla sponge cake, each pore airy enough to imbibe flavors, yet firm enough to hold its shape. On top of this base, picture a thick layer of smooth, creamy vanilla ice cream, speckled with real vanilla beans that burst with flavor on every tongue touch. Now amalgamate the vibrant hues and textures of freshly cut fruits, ripe strawberries, juicy oranges, tart blueberries, and succulent peaches scattered generously across the ice cream. The process of layering these components is both an art and a science. Begin by selecting the finest ingredients. The cake must be moist but not overly dense, allowing it to absorb some of the ice cream's moisture without becoming soggy. The ice cream should be of premium quality, with a high cream content to ensure it freezes well and melds seamlessly with the other layers. The fruits, meanwhile, should be at their peak ripeness, offering the perfect balance of sweetness and acidity to complement the sweet, creamy backdrop. Next, consider the assembly. Start with the sponge cake as the base, perhaps brushed with a light syrup to enhance its flavor and moisture. Once the cake is prepared, swiftly spread the softened ice cream over it, working quickly to prevent melting. Here, the choice of ice cream flavor can be varied according to personal preference or seasonal availability. Classic options like vanilla or strawberry work beautifully, but don't shy away from experimenting with more adventurous flavors like salted caramel or pistachio. After the ice cream layer, arrange the fruits thoughtfully. Create a pattern or simply scatter them for a rustic look. Each piece of fruit not only adds a burst of flavor, but also a burst of color, making the cake as visually appealing as it is delicious. Once assembled, the cake needs to be frozen until the ice cream is firm, usually taking about 4 hours. To serve, a hot knife will slice through the layers cleanly, presenting a cross-section of the beautifully assembled ingredients. Each slice should offer a harmonious blend of cake, ice cream, and fruit, with textures ranging from the airy lightness of the sponge to the creamy density of the ice cream and the juicy burst of fresh fruit. Pairing this ice cream cake with various sauces or garnishes can elevate it even further. A drizzle of raspberry coulis or a dollop of whipped cream can add an extra element of indulgence. Mint leaves or edible flowers might be used for decoration, enhancing the visual appeal and adding a hint of aroma. Remember, the key to the perfect ice cream cake lies in the balance of its components. The cake should not overpower the ice cream, and the fruit should serve to accentuate, not mask, the underlying flavors of the cake and ice cream. Each bite should be a symphony of textures and tastes, a dance of creamy, fruity, and cakey notes on the palate. Enjoy the process of making this cake as much as relishing it. Experiment with different fruit combinations, or try layering multiple ice cream flavors for a more complex profile. This ice cream cake fruit recipe is not only a treat for the taste buds, but also a joy to create, promising a fulfilling experience for both the baker and those who partake in its enjoyment. And there you have it, a guide to crafting what could easily become your favorite ice cream cake fruit recipe in the whole wide world. It's a dessert that promises delight with every bite, a centerpiece worthy of any celebration, and a testament to the love and care put into its creation. My favorite ice cream cake fruit recipe in the whole wide world.